Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Are you looking for the best drones to buy in 2021? Then you have come to the right place, because in this video I'm going to list the top 5 best drones to buy in 2021. Let's get into the video. Equipped with GPS and GLONASS navigation satellite system, it has different modes to make it easier to fly, especially like the return to home feature, in which the drone will come right back to home when in low battery or out of control. The beginner mode will be a nice touch for new learners. 4K UHD camera with 90 adjustable let you see the world from different perspectives, and able to capture 3840 x 2160 pixels Ultra HD picture store in smartphone. This drone came very nicely packaged with tons of extras to help for focusing on your creation, such as follow me, point of interest, and waypoint. Ruko U11 Pro Drone. Zenfold Drone. Foldable drone with 1080p HD FPV camera is capable of sending FPV real-time video. You can enjoy HD vision through the 1080p high-quality camera. The drone's computer-aided flight control software will allow you to have an easy and interesting flight, even if you are a beginner. Drawing a unique flight path on your smartphone will allow you maximum control of the drone's flight. The drone can also be directed to hover at a fixed attitude and location for high-quality pictures or video. Easy and safe flight control. One-button takeoff or landing, with protective propeller guards ensure the enhanced drone provides a safe and worry without flight. The drone's high-quality construction and materials will prevent damage from sudden shocks caused by accidents. GPS Drone. GPS function provides more precise positioning. The drone can fly and circle according to your positioning. For spiral blades with protective frame provides more protection for you, then you don't worry about hitting caused by an unfamiliar operation. The main camera is a 4K UHD camera, and the camera at the bottom is a 720p camera. Dual cameras can capture more details and solve the limitation of the single lens picture range. DJI Mini 2. At less than 249 grams, it weighs about as much as an apple and fits in the palm of your hand. With a max battery life of 31 minutes, DJI Mini 2 grants more than enough time to compose the perfect shot. Mini 2 can resist level 5 winds and take off at a max altitude of 4,000 meters, so your footage is stable even when flying along a windy coastline or high above an alpine forest. DJI Mini 2 supports 4x digital zoom, providing more options. When recording family, friends, or pets, you can safely capture your subject without flying too close. Larvender K F10 to GPS 4K Drone. This drone's for adults equipped with stable to axis gimbal camera which reduces blurring, provides better image stability. The 4000 HD camera capture amazing pictures and videos which makes you enjoy any views from the lens. GPS positioning and auto return with function prevent your 4000 drone lose in any situation, automatically fly back even fly out of control, lost signal and low battery. With one key auto takeoff and one key auto land button, this camera drone can be easily operated to start and stop, and combined with the considerate icons on the app, this drone becomes more simple to access even for drone beginners. The drones with camera for adults 4K can resist 7 level provide you a stable and powerful fly experience. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Goodbye.